Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. The measurements and a list of ingredients will be in the description box below. Melt butter or oil on medium heat in a pan. Fry chopped onion for about 3 minutes. Then add garlic. And fry it for 1 minute. You may add a pinch of salt. Stir and remove the onion from the heat. Cool it entirely. Meanwhile, crumb bread in a bowl or use ready-made breadcrumbs. Add milk, parsley, and allspice. Beat an egg on a different bowl. This egg is for binding. Then add it in a bread bowl. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Add minced meat or ground beef as some call it. Add salt and pepper and mix. You may use your hand to mix. I almost forgot to mix in my cooled onion. Using a tablespoon as a measurement, roll the minced meat into a ball. Wet your hands with water for easy handling. In between. Put the rolled meatballs on a tray or a cooling rack that can fit in the fridge. Then set the meatballs for 30 minutes in the fridge. Once set time lapses, fry the meatballs or bake them in the oven. Oh my, I bent mine. Thank goodness for those cool spots in a pan. Otherwise, we wouldn't have dinner. I would like to ask you to please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Let's make sauce. Melt butter in a pan on medium heat, then add flour and cook it for about 2 minutes. Add chicken stock and stir until all is mixed well. Add allspice, fresh grated nutmeg, and mix. Add Dijon mustard, stir, Reduce heat, then add heavy cream and mix. The heavy cream I've used is the whipping cream. Bring the heat of sour cream up by mixing it with a sauce to avoid the sauce breaking up when they are both mixed. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. Add salt and pepper. Stir. By drawing a line on the spoon, I'm showing that the sauce is thick. Add back the meatballs and cover them with sauce. Then switch off the heat. They are ready. I served mine with pasta. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.